Why did the Sun King destroy his most loyal minister? In the glittering halls of Versailles, trust was a dangerous game. Louis Roman XIV, known for his opulence and absolute power, understood that loyalty could be a facade. The court was a theater where everyone played a role, and the stakes were life and liberty. As the king's gaze fell upon his minister, the line between friend and foe blurred. In this world of intrigue, even the closest ally could be a threat. Law 14, pose as a friend, work as a spy. In a world where information is power, knowing your enemy's secrets is crucial. Today, this law matters more than ever. The art of espionage is not just for the battlefield. It permeates every aspect of life. Whether in politics, business, or personal relationships, those who master the flow of information hold the keys to influence. As we delve into this law, consider how it applies to your own interactions. Meet Nicolas Fouquet, the ambitious superintendent of finances under Louis Roman XIV. His grandiose lifestyle and influence made him a target. Fouquet was a man of immense charm and intellect, whose rise to power was as dazzling as it was precarious. He built a network of allies and wielded his position to amass wealth and prestige. Yet his ambition blinded him to the dangers lurking in the shadows of the court. His story is a cautionary tale of how quickly fortunes can change. Fouquet's downfall began when he underestimated the king's jealousy. He threw a lavish party that outshone the king's own events. On August 17, 1661, Fouquet hosted a spectacular fête at his Chateau in Vaux-le-Vicomte, showcasing his wealth and taste. The event was so extravagant that it eclipsed the king's own celebrations, sparking envy and suspicion. Louis Roman XIV, feeling overshadowed, saw this as a challenge to his authority. Fouquet's miscalculation would soon seal his fate. In 1661, Louis Roman XIV had Fouquet arrested. The king had spies within Fouquet's circle, revealing his secrets and ambitions. These informants, posing as friends, gathered intelligence that painted Fouquet as a potential rival. The arrest was swift and decisive, orchestrated by the king's trusted advisor, Colbert. Fouquet was charged with embezzlement and treason, though the true crime was his audacity to rival the king's grandeur. His trial was a spectacle, and his downfall a lesson in the perils of unchecked ambition. Fouquet's arrest sent shockwaves through France. It was a stark reminder of the power of espionage. The court, once buzzing with his influence, now whispered of his betrayal. His downfall served as a warning to others who might dare to rise too high. The king's message was clear: no one was above the crown. In the aftermath, the landscape of power shifted, and those who survived learned to tread carefully, always mindful of the eyes and ears around them. The psychology behind this law is simple. People reveal more to those they trust. But trust can be a double-edged sword. When someone believes you are a friend, they lower their defenses, sharing confidences and plans. This vulnerability can be exploited by those who understand the art of manipulation. However, the risk lies in maintaining the facade without revealing your true intentions. The balance between genuine connection and strategic deception is delicate and requires skillful navigation. In the modern workplace, information is currency. Knowing your colleagues' plans can give you an edge. In competitive environments, those who can anticipate moves and counter them effectively often come out on top. By cultivating relationships and listening carefully, you can gather insights that others might overlook. This knowledge allows you to navigate office politics with precision, positioning yourself advantageously. Remember, the most successful players are those who understand the value of information and use it wisely. In social settings, listen more than you speak. The more you know, the better you can maneuver. By observing and absorbing the dynamics around you, you gain a deeper understanding of motivations and alliances. This awareness allows you to adapt your strategies and influence outcomes subtly. The art of listening is not passive. It is an active engagement with the world. As you gather information, you build a reservoir of knowledge that can be leveraged when the time is right. Pose as a friend, work as a spy. Gather information but never reveal your true intentions. Use trust to your advantage. In the intricate dance of power, those who master the art of deception can turn the tide in their favor. Always be aware of the narratives you create and the roles you play. The ability to blend in while observing from the shadows is a powerful skill. Remember, the most effective spies are those who are never suspected. In the game of power, secrets are your greatest ally. Next, we'll explore the art of crushing your enemy totally. As we conclude this exploration of espionage and influence, consider how you can apply these lessons to your own life. The world is a stage, and those who understand the script can direct the play. Join us next time as we delve into the strategies that ensure total victory over your adversaries. Until then, keep your friends close and your secrets closer.